Now that we've got our Snickers cut to pieces, I'm just going to drop all of them into this blender. Now we're coming in with our frozen bananas, and we're gonna put this entire bag into our blender. Now I'm just gonna add some heavy whipping cream, just a little bit to make this easier to blend. Time for the magic. This is coming along perfectly. We've got all those Snickers diced up. We've got our heavy whipping cream being whipped. And we have got our frozen bananas adding thickness to all that texture. All right, time to take this off. Take my lid off. Look at this gorgeous texture. I'm just gonna bring this right over here. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is gonna be so tasty. You know, the only thing I would have maybe added to this is a little bit of peanut butter. But I'm gonna remember that for next time. I'm gonna get all of this scoopy doopy goodness out of here. Now I'm gonna add 8 ounces of my Cool Whip to give this some extra light, fluffy, creamy texture. I'm just using the regular, but you can always use extra creamy if you want it to be extra creamy. And we're just gonna mix this in. Oh my goodness. And like I said, I don't know, the only thing I would add to this maybe is some peanut butter. I think that would have been so good. All right, now I've got my caramel sauce and I've just heated this a bit. I'm gonna drizzle in these ribbons, just like that. And I said peanut butter, but I had some peanut butter chips. So I'm gonna add those in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of peanuts in here. And my friend Jen was saying this reminds her of Elvis Presley with the bananas, the peanut butter, just like his favorite sandwich, y'all. And it is my dream to go to Graceland someday. So someday that'll be on my bucket list. This is gorgeous. I wanna make sure I got that Cool Whip well incorporated with our frozen bananas and Snicker mixture. I don't wanna see too much white in here. I want it to be more banana and Snickery. All right, everyone, I got a little bit of my magic shell here. I thought this would be so pretty on top. Of course, you don't have to use magic shell. You can just melt regular chocolates with a little bit of coconut oil or whatever your favorite shortening is. Look at this, so pretty. A little sprinkle of my Reese's peanut butter chips on top, just a drive-by. And a tiny bit of peanuts, because this is for Elvis. If I had some banana slices on here, that'd be cute too. But you know what? I think we've done a really good job of this for today. I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for about 2 hours and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Ooh, all right. I had this in the freezer for just about an hour and a half. It's not totally frozen, but I have got to get in here, get a scoop of this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow, look at this. Frozen bananas with our Snickers bars blended in there. A little bit of Cool Whip to lighten it up. We've got caramel. We've got peanut butter, chocolate chips, peanuts for a little bit of crunch. Y'all, homemade ice cream. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous texture. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna get some of that magic shell from on top too. Oh my God. Woo! Y'all, this is so good. You've got to try this.